Hello and welcome to Lasa Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our CASA Cafe round. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing one part 1, 2 parts 2, 4 parts A, as well as the Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Please pay close attention when assembling in this step. Our parts 1, the holes, and when installing parts 2, these holes. Ensure that the larger holes are facing the same sides as the part 1. Let's go ahead and assemble. We'll begin with installing one leg on the first hole. For our next step, we'll be needing one part 3, our tabletop, as well as 4 parts B, our bolts, and 4 parts C, our feet, as well as the Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. When lining up, just make sure that the holes will match the grommets. Next, we'll do the feet. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our CASA Cafe round. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and products. Thank you.